Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take macro photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. First, go to the camera and go to more button and here select macro. So now you can take macro photo. First, I capture with this candy. Yes, I got taken, and then I use this coin, and then I use this stone. Now I show the result. See here, minute details are visible. Okay, so small object is magnified and they are showing. See this coin, minute details are visible here. Okay, see this candy. So in this way you can easily take macro photos and you can view small details of the object in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.